What's up guys, I'm here with another video, and in this video I'll be explaining the price action and some technical analysis on Bitcoin and the way the price is moving, and I'll try to give some short-term analysis on what the price action is going to do, and currently what the price is doing and the way altcoins are moving. We're also going to be talking about the price action of GRT. I think that altcoin can go really high, because it's a strong altcoin. It's sitting on support. We're going to talk about some ranges, and I'm going to explain how the ranges work, and so yeah, let's jump into the technicals and let's see. So here's the price of Bitcoin. It's down 2% today. It was neutral yesterday, but it's down 2% today. And as I said, we need a retest here. As I said before, let me jump into the 4-hour time frame and try to explain. So I talked about this area. If we can get a successful retest here, because we broke this area but we never had a retest here. Okay, so we never had a retest here, and now that we got a retest, we basically failed this area that we broke after multiple tries. We just failed it. Let me show you. Oops, sorry. Let me get that again. So 1 2 3, and now that we broke it, we should have respected this as a support, because this was a strong resistance. This should have acted as support, but we failed it for now. So in my opinion, it can be a short opportunity. This can be a short opportunity. So I think that we can go and take a short position, but we gotta wait for it. We gotta wait for the confirmation. If we break below this line, um, if this price action acts like this, let me mark it. If it just acts like this, we see some resistance here and break this area again, 26,800. If it touches 26,800, we can short at that point and uh, target these areas below this support, like 25,600 or something, on a short position. We can do that, but for now, it didn't respect the support, but maybe it's taking out all the stop losses which were below the support. The people who entered into the trade here yesterday, when I talked about it, it's risky to go long here. So the people who entered there, they had their stop losses just below the support. So maybe it's just a stop loss hunt. It can rise back again. We're gonna get a confirmation soon. If you break this support line, this black line, if you break it, then we have a short position confirmed and we can take some profits here. So remember, we cannot always take the perfect trades. We cannot get the most profit out of the market, but we just need 1 to 2%. That's it. If you can get this much profit, just 1% out of Bitcoin in a week, that's more than enough, because increasing your capital, increasing your portfolio by 1%, that's a lot of money. And most of people would want to invest with you if you're a successful trader like that. So at this point, I can't really short it, but we broke this support. It's not a good sign. Maybe it can go down, but until if we reclaim this area, then it can be a sign of bullishness. If we reclaim this back, this was just a stop loss, and we can enter here again, stop loss below this, and then we can just ride it to 30,000 and 32,000 something. So this is the price action of Bitcoin 4 hourly, and yeah, it dropped pretty bad, but that's fine. I'm going to talk about this altcoin I talked about yesterday. It's GRT, and if you talk about it, it broke this area of resistance, which was a good sign. If you take a look at it, it broke this area like this. This resistance was broken. So now I think this one's basically acting really strong today, and generally as well. I'm going to talk about it why. First, let me show you the other altcoins that I have. FET down 5%, CFX down 10%, CSN down 1.6%, STX down, Pepe, that's a trash coin, BAN down 5%, Rune down 2.5. Like, all the altcoins are having a bad time, but in this time the GRT is having a really good time. It's up 2% today, which shows sign of strength. So in 4 hourly it broke the resistance zone, and I'm gonna explain one more thing, that is trading the ranges. Okay, so this is a ranging market. Okay, the price made a move to the upside, made a range high. That's a high. Okay, the highest the price ever the price have been in the past one or few months actually. And um, and then it dropped, made a range low. So it made a range high and then a range low, and then it is continuously getting resisted from this mid range. It's a 50 fib level. Okay, so that's 50% of this range, and this is mid range. It's just getting rejected here. So the price, after getting around three equal highs. Okay, so the price after getting three equal highs, there are stop losses here. Okay, some liquidity there, and they had two equal lows here. So if it had two equal lows, this is a sign of bullishness, and also a retest here from this breaker. That's really bullish, and it's having a good time rising. So I think this is good for a run, because we had the past couple of days, 1 2 3 4 5 days in a row green, and also the volume is continuously rising, so people are interested in this project. They just want to push it. It also broke a resistance here. I think it's good to touch the mid range at least, but target of equal lows are usually the range high. So in my opinion, this can go to 23 cent. If it breaks above that, people are gonna long in FOMO, and maybe the hype can make it reach to the resistance level at 0.33. So this coin can go to 0.33 cents and 33 cents. So I think this is a good trade. This altcoin looks really strong to me. It's also making a traditional pattern here, building liquidity. In my opinion, it can just go to like at least 18 to 20 cents. This coin can jump. So this is about the GRT, and I think this can go really high. It's all about the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin plays out in a long position here, if it goes back up and respects the support, actually it's respecting it now. It broke, but now it's back into this rectangle. So if it closes above, or maybe gets above tomorrow, this is going to be a good sign, and in my opinion, this can be a really good trade. If it goes to 31,000, GRT is going to pump like hell. So yeah, this is my analysis on Bitcoin and GRT. So let's see how it plays out. In my opinion, the Bitcoin looks bad to me, but it's all about this support level. If it respects it, it's still into the box. It's not. It can be considered like a proper break of structure to a downside, so you can't really show it here. But if you get a confirmation on the price setting 28,600, 26,800, we can short it, and if it goes back into a range and we see some strength, we can just long it. Stop loss below 26,800, and just right to 32,000. Also, we have a trade on GRT, which is really good. I've been talking about GRT for the past 2 days, and in my opinion, the GRT can go very high. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you all again tomorrow.